Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable head gestures for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see this menu as I have. Now you need to scroll down and go to device settings. Then go to the system at the middle top and scroll down again. And right here we have head gesture. To enable it right here we have a slider. If the slider have empty background, it means that it's disabled. And just tap on it one time and we just enable it. If you have colorful background, it means that it's enabled. And to disable it, just tap on it also. When you enable it for the first time, it will show you this window, and I recommend it to click experience it to go through the tutorial if it's your first time, or you can cancel it if you don't need it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.